Welcome to Lessons 1 of your CapCut Mastery course. In these lessons, we'll introduce you to the world of CapCut, what it is, how to use it on mobile and desktop, and how to navigate the interface, and how to set up your projects perfectly for TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So let's jump right in. Okay, so let's start with the questions like what is CapCut? CapCut is a free, powerful video editing tools developed by ByteDance and the creators of TikToks, and its beginners friendly yet packed with advanced features like keyframe animations, masking and auto captions, AI powered backgrounds remover, and even templates for trending contents. Okay, and whether you are a creator, marketer, or editors, CapCut gives you all the tools to produce professional level content first. Okay, so let's move into the CapCut mobile versus and also the desktop. And CapCut is available on the both mobile and the desktop. And while the core tools are similar, there are some key differences. Okay, so the first one is, let's move into the mobile versions, and this is the mobile versions over here. And mobile CapCut is optimized for verticals content creations, perfect for like TikTok or Instagram Reels. You can short edits and uploads right from your phones. The desktop versions offer a larger workspace, better control for different edits, and advanced tools like custom keyframing and high resolutions. Okay, so let's take a quick tour of the CapCut interface. Okay, so and no matter which versions you are using, the layout is simple and intuitive. Okay, so in the top here, if I'm gonna go to, and also you'll find the options to import and export and settings, and in the left we have the media or also the text effect. So if I'm gonna go to, and you can now see we have the different effects over here, like you can select from here. Okay, and also the timeline areas in the here, like this is layer for something the videos, audio, and also the text. Okay, and also the preview window, and there's collies and real-time view of your edit. So whatever you edit, you can easily shows up on the preview windows. Everything is drag and drop, and want to add musics, just you can do or select the musics, and you can just select and drop to the or into the timelines, and that's it. And also want to animate text, click on the text, and also you have the several options like text templates, and also the difference of here the text effects. So just selecting and drop to the over here. So for example, let's go with the text effects, and if I'm gonna select something with the there's one, so let's try to use, or if I'm gonna go to over here, so and that's it, we have these styles with the default text. Okay, just click and you will find the options to work over there. Okay, and the next thing is the, now let's move into the project setup for different platforms. And one of CapCut's biggest strength is how easily you can set up your project for any social media platform. Like here, if I'm gonna click and let's go to the modify, And here we have the difference aspect ratios. Like from here we have like the 16 by 19, and also like you will find the 19 by 16, also the difference one. So here's a breakdown of recommended settings. Like for the TikToks and also reels, use the 9 by 16. This is the verticals. And YouTube shorts, you can use the 9 by 16. And YouTube videos, select the 16 by 9 landscape. And also it resolution is like, if you're gonna go to, and it comes with the 1920 by 1080. Okay, so if I go to now, let's select it and let's use the Instagrams or TikToks, and then just save it. So now it's also moved into as the TikToks or Instagrams, or Instagram's aspect ratios. Okay, so that wraps up our introductions to CapCut. You now understand what CapCut is, how the mobile and desktop versions differ, and how to navigate the interface, and how to properly set up your project for different platforms. Okay, and in the next lessons we'll dive into the basics editing tools like trimming, cuttings, adding musics, and more. So let's go.